Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, My Digital Saga. My name is Nathan. In this video, I will show you how to create funnels and websites to sell to people using Groove pages on GrooveFunnels. So, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit subscribe button below. And without further ado, let's get started. So, as you can see, this one is Groove Pages. It's a really nice website builder. It's a part of the GrooveFunnels software. So why should you care about Groove Pages? If you are familiar with the ClickFunnels, they are pretty much really similar. They are drag and drop website builder. But recently, the GrooveFunnels has gained a lot of traction, and there are many people who switch from other platforms to the Groove Pages. So here's why the GrooveFunnels are really promising software. So the Groove Digital team is made with dedicated team of experts. Here we have Mike Filsam, who is a software developer who used to own Krita, and here we have like a solid team of digital marketers, e-commerce entrepreneurs, and technology experts. So they have a really solid team, and definitely, in my opinion, I can see they grow in the future. And later this year, the co-founders, they announced that they will release the feature that will allow people to import the URL of other web page to copy the page design. And what's really cool about the GrooveFunnels, they have a really powerful features such as social proof pop-up. So now they just release this feature. If somebody hit subscribe to your form or buy something from your landing page, then this pop-up will show. Like here, someone just signed up for the GrooveFunnels. This person from United States. Okay. And they also have really customizable email pop-up. You can create one here, and it comes with the beautiful pre-designed blocks that you can choose. And what's really cool about the GrooveFunnels is the affiliate management platform that you can use for free. So if you have a course or you're trying to sell a product, you can get people to help you promote your product by offering them sales commission. Also, the GrooveFunnels is really fast growing. Within a month, I noticed that the number of the members in the official Groove Digital Facebook group has doubled within a month. It used to be 30,000 something, and now it's 70,000 something. Okay. So you may wonder, why would someone buy a website or sales funnel made with Groove pages? So you can help other people to succeed with their business. Not everybody is good at designing and copywriting, so you can create sales funnel for them and let them do what they are good at doing. Also, if you are already an agency, you can add value to your service by providing pre-built sales funnel for your clients. You can use it as an add-on product for your service, or you can offer it as a free gift to your client. Also, building funnels for sale is a good idea for boosting your income during this pandemic. I have searched for ClickFunnels specialist on Upwork.com, and they can earn anything in between $50 per hour to $200 per hour, depending on their experience and portfolio. So it's not too late to get your free GrooveFunnels account now and start designing. So just hit on the button below and get your free account now. Alright, I will show you how easy it is to sell funnels or websites created with the Groove pages. So let's go to the toggle bar at the top here and go to export site. Okay, it's loading. I don't know why it's blocking the pop-up. Okay. There you go. So here you got the zip folder. You can send the zip folder to your client, and here's how your client can upload the website onto their GrooveFunnels account. So you will tell your client to unzip the zip file and then sign up for the GrooveFunnels account. And when your client sign up for the GrooveFunnels account, they will have an access to Groove pages, and they can create new site. You will tell your client to click Start from scratch, and then create the page, or in this case, you already have the home page or the index. So just import the code. Okay. So you will need to open it with the code editor of your choice. So you open the HTML file using the code editor and copy everything, and then click the code icon of your page and then paste the code, then click save. As you can see, everything is uploaded into the new website. So your client have to create each page and then import the code. Yep, just basically copy the code and then paste into the source code. And here you can preview. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye now.